Dear friends, today we will discuss question number 2. Give a rough estimate by rounding off to nearest hundreds and also a closer estimate by rounding off to nearest 10. Exercise 1.3. Now question number A. We will solve this question number A like this. A. A 439 plus 334 plus 4,317. Now, first of all, we have to give a rough estimate by rounding off to nearest hundred. Now, the number is 439. Now, 439, here you see, the number is 439 lies between 400 and 500, and the middle number is 450. That means if the number is 450 or more than 450, then it rounded up to 500, and if the number is less than 450, it rounded up to 400. Therefore, the number is 439. That means it will be rounded up to 400 plus 334. Here you see, 300 lies between 300 and 400. 300 and 400, and the middle point is 350. Therefore, 334 lies close to 300. Therefore, it will be rounded off to 300 plus 4,317. That means this number lies between 4,300 and 4,400, and the middle point is 4,350. That means if a number is equal to or greater than 4,350, it rounded off to 4,400. Since the number is 4,317, therefore it rounded off to 4,300. Therefore, it will become 4,300. Okay. Now, if I add all these numbers, that means 0 to number 0, 0, 3 plus 3, 6, 4, 10, carry 1, 4 plus 1, 5. That means this number becomes 5,000. Okay, that is 5,000. Therefore, if we rounded off this number by nearest 100, we are getting 5,000. Now, we will have a closer estimate by rounding off to nearest 10. Right? Now, we will do closer estimates by rounding up to nearest 10. Let's see what is the answer. Now, the first answer is how much? 5,000. Right? Now question number A. Now we'll do it by closer estimate by rounding off nearest 10. Now this is the solution. Now the number is 439 plus 334 plus 4,317. Okay. Now we have to round it up by nearest 10. Here you see 439. The 39 lies between 30 and 40, and the number is 39, therefore it will be rounded up to 40, therefore it will be 440 plus 334, that means this also lies between 30 and 40, but it is nearest to 30, therefore it will be 330, therefore it will be nearest to 330. And the next number is 4,317, that means it lies between 17 lies between 20 and 30, 20 and 30, and the middle point is 25. If the number is 25 or more than 25, it rounded up to 30, but since the number is 17, it rounded up to 20, therefore 4,320. Now if we add the numbers, we are getting the number is 4,320 plus 440 plus 330 plus 330. And if we add the numbers, we are getting this is 0, 4 plus 3 7 plus 2 9, 3 plus 4 7 plus 3 10, carry 1 0, 4 plus 1 5, 5090. Therefore the answer is 5090, 5090, and the previous answer was 5000. Therefore we can say that if we round up to nearest 10, the answer will be accurate, nearest to accurate, right? That means if we round it up by nearest 10, then the answer will become closer to the exact result or exact sum, right? Now we'll do question number B. Okay, now we'll do question number B. Now question number B. Solution of question number B. B is 12,08,734 minus 47,599. Now first of all, we will get the answer by rounding up to nearest 100. Now the number is, you see, 734 lies between 700 and 800, and the middle number is 750. Now the number is 734, that means less than 750, therefore it rounded up to 700. Therefore here it will, the number will come 108 700 minus 47,599. 599 lies between 500 and 600. 500 and 600, and the middle number is 550. 550. Therefore, since the number is 599, we round it up to 600. Therefore, the number is 47,600. Now you subtract this number 1 0 8 7 0 0. You see, we are subtracting this number minus 4 7 6 0 0. If we subtract this number, we are getting 0 0 6 plus 1 7 7 plus 1 8 4 4 7 4. The number is 6, right? 61,100. That means the answer is 61,100, right? Therefore, the answer will be the 61,100. That means by rounding up to nearest 100, we are getting the answer as 61,100, right? Now we will do this number by rounding up to nearest 10, right? The answer is here 61,100. Let us do question number B, that is by rounding up to nearest 10, right? Now let us do question number B again, that is 1 0 8 7 3 4 minus 47,599. Therefore, I am subtracting here. That means by rounding off to nearest 10, here there is 34. 34 lies between 30 and 40. 34 lies between 30 and 40, and the middle number is 35. Since the number is 34 less than 35, therefore it rounded up to 30. Therefore, the answer will be one 0 8 7 3 0 minus 47,599. Here you see the number is 99. That means 99 lies between 90 and 100, and the number is, the middle number is 95, right? Middle number is 99. Since the number is 99, 8, we round it up to 100, right? Round it up to 100. That means we are getting 47,000. We are getting, you see this number, 47,000. Here you see 47,000, 47,000, 600. Okay, therefore, subtracting the number the number is the number is 1. We are subtracting this number, that is 108 1 0 8 730 and minus 47,600. Now if you subtract this number, this is 0, this is 3, 6 plus 1 7, 7 1 8, 4 6, 61,130. Therefore the number is 61,130. Therefore here we see that if we estimate this number by rounding up to nearest 10, we are getting the much more the accurate difference, right? That means 61,130 is more nearer to the actual difference, right? This is the solution of question number B. Now we will do question number C. Now we will do question number C. Same way, it is one by nearest 100 and other by nearest 10. Now we will do question number C.